Hi friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in this video we are going to discuss the various job opportunities available in one of the multinational company. Friend, the job opportunities available for the freshers as well as the experienced professional, and the job opportunities available for the diploma holder, degree holders, and all the engineering branches like mechanical, electrical and electronics and instrumentation branches are having multiple job opportunity. So friend, please watch the video complete to know regarding the various job links and how you can apply. So let's start the video. So friend, the company name is a Siemens, and you know it is a very popular and a multinational company. And friend, they are having multiple job opportunities. So friend, here you can see we are at the official career page of the Siemens company, and here you can see we have selected the country as a India, and you can see multiple job openings are given. So friend, here you can see various types of filter is given, like you can select the location, you can select the job family, and accordingly you can find the job easily. So friend, here you can see job openings are given, like they are having freshers for the CDEC role. Then you can see a junior product quality engineer. Then you can see document test engineer, solution engineer, enterprise IT architect, and many more job opportunities are given. So friend, we are going to check the one job opportunity for the freshers and one for the experienced professional. And friend, it is a very good opportunity for you. Unacademy has launched their free certification workshop for the core engineering branches. So friend, the branches like mechanical, electrical and electronics and civil branches are having these free certification workshops. And friend, this workshop has already started from the 23rd May, and it will continue till 31st May. So friend, here you can see in the table, the first column is given the workshop date. Then you can see workshop topic, and session topic is given. Then you can see the timing is also mentioned when this workshop will happen. So friend, you can see the workshop like Raspberry Pi for electrical and electronics engineers. Then you can see also industrial automation for the electrical and electronics engineers. They can You can see the data science for the mechanical engineer. Then master class for how to become a successful site engineer. Then a friend, here you can see also they are having a very important session for the interview questions and their best answer. So it will help you to crack your interview. So it is a very good opportunity for you. So please attend these workshops. So friend, here you can see also the candidates who have attended the workshop in the last week has given their feedbacks, and also they have received their workshop certifications. So, friend, there is a various key takeaways from these workshops. Like you will learn from the top industry experts, and you will get a chance to practice live projects, which help you to skill your knowledge. And friend, this free certification workshop will help you to accelerate your career. So, it is a very good opportunity for you to attend this workshop and try to get the maximum knowledge from this workshops. So, friend, please use my code ROSHANY2022, that is ROSHANY2022 for attending the workshop, as well as getting the discounts on the various Unacademy courses. So, friend, I have given this workshop link as well as my coupon code, that is ROSHANY2022, in the description box. So, please use it. So, friend, how you can enroll? You have to open the link which I have given in the description box. So, friend, once you open, then this type of page will open. So, friend, here you can see various workshop name is given. You can see you have to click on anyone, and once you click, friend, then you can see on the right hand side enroll now icon will appear. So, you have to simply click on it. Once you click, friend, then this type of page will come. Then you have to enter your mobile number, and you will receive the OTP for the verification, and after that you have to log in and you have to attend this workshop. So friend, please attend this workshop and try to get the maximum knowledge from this workshop. So friend, let's check the job opportunities for the experienced professionals. So friend, for the experienced professionals, they are having job opportunities, like you can see junior engineer for the quality department. So here you can see job description is given. Then you can see roles and responsibilities are also mentioned. Then here you can see responsibilities for the ensuring from daily production and happening on every workstation. And you will be responsible for conducting layout inspection per yearly plan by verifying assembly process with the SOP, that is a standard operating procedure. Then you will be responsible for communicating explicit non-conformities to respective owners, and you will be responsible for taking decision on hold material on shop floor coming in yellow bin, and you have to prepare kappa if any internal or external complaint assigned. You have to collect and quarantine defective component from all the workstations. and you will be responsible for active contribution in identifying and implementing cost saving measures and projects. Also, you will be responsible for adhering to EHS norm, ISO certifications, and active participation in various initiative role given by the management. So here you can see the experience requirement is given, like 1 to 3 years of experience is required along with the diploma in mechanical engineering. So also you should know the various skills like 7 quality tools, AD analysis, fishbone diagram, YY analysis. Then you can see sound knowledge of measuring instrument like vernier, roughness testers. Then you can see you have the experience in understanding and managing complex problems, basic knowledge of calibration limit, fits tolerance, quality focus approach. Then you can see you have the very good communication skills for clarifying the requirement and solutions. And also you should be a very proactive mindset, and time management and prioritization skill is required. So, friend, how you can apply for this job application? We will discuss later. So, friend, for the freshers, they are having job opportunities like you can see here, graduate engineer trainee. So, friend, before going to check this job opportunity, please subscribe Mechanical Stream to receive the notification of our latest video. And friend, also please like and share this video with your friends so that everyone can get the advantage of this video. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream so that you can receive the job notification earlier and apply before the job application end or expire. So, friend, let's check the job opportunity for the freshers like a graduate trainee engineer. So, friend, here you can see uh, for the you can see here they are looking for the bachelor of engineer, that is B, for the electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, instrumentation technology. So, these branches are eligible for this graduate engineer trainee job. So, here you can see profile is given, like you have to work on the test case execution, test report generation and distribution, required to test software application, responsible for writing, reviewing and executing test cases for the PCS Neo products. Then you will be responsible for writing the defect reports and verifying them after fixing. Then set up the test environments in lab for different types of tests, which involves the configuration of the products under test. Then you can see requirements and technical clarification with partners is given. Then you have to implement end users like scenario for the system testing. So, friend, here you can see this role is based on in Bangalore, and you will also get to visit other location in India and beyond. So, you will need to go where this journey takes you, and in return, you will get the chance to work with your team, interacting entire cities, countries, and save income. So, friend, it is a very big organization, and here you can see they are having collection of over 3,79,000 minds that are building future. So it is a, and friend, they are also having their presence in more than 200 countries. So friend, it is a very big organization and it is a very good opportunity for you to get the job. So friend, for applying, you have to simply click on this apply button. So once you click, then this type of page will come. Then you have to first register yourself. So you have to click on this register. So once you click, then this type of page will come. Then you have to provide your email address. You have to enter one password. Then you have to provide your first name, last name, and you have to register yourself. So friend, once you register, then you have to simply log in and complete the application process. And friend, if you have any doubt regarding this job opportunity, or if you want us give us any suggestion, please comment in the video so that we can work on it and improve it. And friend, please subscribe Mechanical Stream. Thank you.